got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh, baby.
What's up, y'all? It's Vlogmas day
22.
and I'm getting ready to head up to Starbucks. I wanted to try this drink, and of course my coworkers were like, oh, keep running late and go up to Starbucks. So I'm gonna get ready to head up to Starbucks and yeah, let's go try a drink. So I am going to be going to Starbucks, and I'm going to be ordering a venti toasted white mocha cream frappuccino with 4 pumps of toasted vanilla, extra strawberry drizzle, and red and green sprinkles. So it was a drink that my mom found on TikTok, and I just want to give it a shot and see what's what with it. So hope that I can order this drink the right way. If not,
red and green sprinkles. Anything
okay, y'all, so this drink is called the Santa Claus. That is the reason why it is red and white, and then the top has the substituted red and green sprinkles. So I went ahead and also grabbed me some lunch while I was here by getting the egg and cheddar protein box. I got my coworkers their drinks. I'm gonna get ready to show you guys the drink and taste it out on camera. So y'all, I think I'm gonna do the Good Samaritan thing. I see a lot of people doing it, paying it forward. I'm gonna go ahead and pay for the person behind me. I see a lot of people say on like TikToks and stuff that, you know, they want to pay for the person behind them, but the person behind them orders like $45+ or something sometimes. But I feel like with Starbucks, you know, with only having one person in the actual car behind me, I think that it's just a Good Samaritan thing to do. So I'm gonna ask how much it is, and I'm gonna pay for their order. Could you tell me, oh, okay.
I'm sorry.
Oh, it's gonna ask me a question?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Could you tell me how much it is for the person behind me?
For the protein box?
For the one behind me.
Oh. Well, that was just a small scoop.
I'll pay for it.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you.
Okay. Could I have a tray for those drinks? I appreciate that. Okay, thank you. Breakfast and lunch today. I don't feel like running out anywhere else.
I think that's everything.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Oh, let me get you a straw.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good one. Okay, so I'm gonna pull up just a little bit to put these drinks down. Put my window back up, y'all. Ugh. It's nippy as hell out here. Alright, so I got my drink. Let me just show y'all what it looks like. Alright, so here it is. It is the Santa Claus TikTok drink, where I substituted the red sprinkles on top for the red and green. We have the extra strawberry drizzle in here, and it is a venti toasted white mocha cream frappuccino with the 4 pumps of toasted white mocha. Yeah, looks good. Let's try it. Okay. So the person in front of me, the person behind me, their order was like $4.26. I went ahead and paid for it. You know, doing the Good Samaritan thing, so that they can hurry up and get out and go. Anyways, here's our drink. It's actually good. The strawberry like puree on the inside, oh my god. And the white mocha sauce. Y'all, this was good. Now I just need something to eat with it. So I ordered a cheese Danish. Cheese Danishes now have went up to $3.45. I feel like just like 2-3 weeks ago, they were $2.45. I need to learn how to make these at home. But I don't feel like it. Anyways, let me get ready to head back to work. Alright, y'all, so round 2, I'm getting ready to head to Starbucks. It's about 6 p.m. And I'm gonna try to order these 2 other famous TikTok Starbucks drinks. One is called Candy Cane and the other one is called Grinch. So yeah, I do have Sky with me, and we're gonna try the Grinch and the Candy Cane drink from Starbucks, and we're gonna tell you guys on a scale of 1 to 5 if we would recommend that you guys get it or not. And I order a tall matcha frappuccino with a splash of strawberry inside the cup.
What's the splash of what side?
Strawberry. Yes, can I also order a tall vanilla bean frappuccino with a shot of peppermint syrup? And can I have the red holiday sprinkles on top, please? Also, a chocolate cake pop, and then one of the sugar plum cheese Danishes, please. Okay, so I was able to order it. One being made. I feel like falling in love. Alright, so we got the candy cane one, and then we also got the Grinch. So we have 2 straws. We're gonna go ahead and try both straws.
It's very minty
Yeah.
and very good. So I
give it a 4 out of 5.
okay, it's very sweet. So I'm gonna give it like a 2.
Alright, so where's our other straw?
Like a 2 out of 0.
No, like a 2 out of 5. Alright, let's do the Grinch. You take the first sip. Give it a try.
I give it a 10 out of 10. It's very juicy. It has a lot of flavor.
You got most of the strawberry puree at the bottom, that's why.
If you guys go to Starbucks,
This
you
one is
should
good.
definitely get this drink because it actually tastes very good.